today I don't want to look natural. Should I go on Instagram and say that I've just done my lips? Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Karina, a new makeup artist still in a studying process. And because I'm just studying, not all my makeup's gonna look nice because I'm trying different techniques and I'm trying different makeup, still used to it, so I've got ideas, but sometimes to realize these ideas, it could be a little bit not what I'm expecting. But today my makeup is just not gonna be the makeup, just a regular one. I actually have idea for it, and it's not just idea about how to make it. It's idea about how I feel about it. Because
today I wake up in a really bad mood.
And when I'm making my makeups, after I've done it, I feel so much better. And today I just want to say to all the people, all the girls who's watching me, girls, it's okay to not be okay. You can't smile every day. It's just normal to be sometimes upset, just for no reason, because we are girls. And when you go in like this and meet other people, they always saying, you have to smile, you're a good girl, you're a Barbie, you have to be a doll, you have to be smiling.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life and plastic, it's fantastic.
But come on, let's be honest, we hate all these fake people. We are not fake, we have still feelings and emotions, and nobody wants to be a Barbie girl. Like, I mean, yes, some girls do like to do it, but not me. I am real human. So today I'm gonna make a doll look, doll makeup, but I'm gonna put my mood on it and forget about this forever. So the next day I will wake up
with a smile on my face.
So today I don't want to look natural at all. So we're gonna make a really bad contouring and we're gonna make a really looking like a doll. So we will start as usual just with some primer on the face, and then we're gonna put some foundation. Eye primer, and I've not even started yet, but I'm already feeling better. So if you are same as me and you having this, I don't know how to even say, the fear about the makeup, when you start doing it and you start feeling better, just give me text and comment. So I know I'm not only like that. I know for sure there is a lot of girls like this, so just like when they wake up, they're making the makeup to feel more confident during the day.
Pretty sure I'm not alone.
And the face primer. Oh, actually, no, I'm not gonna use the regular primer. I'm gonna use a shiny primer. So,
where is my tissues?
We're gonna use a primer from Elon Musk. I'm not always using it because it's really shiny, but today is the day.
Today is the day.
So, I'm gonna put lots of it. Lots of primer. Yeah, I do feel weird today, so it might be a bit weird video as well. Can you see how shiny it is? It's like straight away, I've just put it in and it's so much glitter on it. Skin feels really nice after that. Like, I do like this primer, but because of the shine, it's not for every day. And today, I'm gonna use a foundation for Frera, and this one is actually really dark. It's darker than I need for my skin. But again, because I want to do some different kind of makeup, I don't want to look natural, I'm gonna use this one. So a little bit on my hand, maybe even more than usual, because it's gonna be a really mood makeup. So on my face, take a brush and just blend it all over. When you blend in the foundation, just try to don't press too much on your skin. Try to do it with a really light hand.
You can tell the color is really not what it's supposed to be.
And after I'm using a brush, I'm always doing the rest of it with a beauty blender. I think that's how the foundation looks much better. I mean about texture. I'm not talking about the color just now. Always remember to put a little bit on your ears and don't forget about your neck. Okay, we've been blending it for about 6 minutes and now it looks really good. So the next step, I will take a NYX creamy palette for a contouring and make a bit bad contouring. The skull will be over here and a little bit in here. The next step, I will take a bit brighter color. I know the contouring is now it's like a bad kind of makeup, because for this moment everybody looking for a natural stuff. But I think as a art makeup, it still have a place to be.
Oh, I love making a contouring. It looks fun.
I honestly don't remember when the last time I've done such a bad contouring, like I mean so much. So we're gonna blend it for a quite while until all the lines will use to the place they have to be. And all the shades will look
Very nice.
It does feel like it's so much makeup on my face just now. The next step, I will take some bronzer and make the darkest parts looking even darker. Usually I'm saying like my soul, but not at this time.
Not that dark.
Okay, don't you dare to fall off again. Well, next I will take a really bright one. Just put it here. Basically, with the contouring, you can change your face like any way you like.
But again, this is a bad contouring.
That's how Instagram making us thinking they all looking so good. But no, it's just a contouring. Or the filters. And a little bit of shiny blush plus highlighter plus everything. I'm not usually using that because it's like it's too much glitter on it. But I think today is a day. That actually looks good.
Shine bright like a diamond.
I feel like my under eye area doesn't look really nice today, so I'm gonna put a little bit concealer and see what happens, but not too much, because otherwise it could make it look even worse.
There is no Linda.
And with concealer we're doing like a little triangle under our eye, which going like this way. So you can already see difference between this eye and this one here. It looks like some area is shining a little bit too much, so I'm gonna use a matte powder, so it's gonna look a bit more matte. I know I already put like highlighter and all that stuff, and now I'm using a setting powder, but yes, that's the way I want to do it. It's not really right, to be honest, but we might would need to put some more highlighter back, but we're gonna do it a little bit later on. It actually doesn't look that bad. I was thinking if I'm gonna put so much makeup on my face, this texture gonna look disgusting, but it does look okay.
Really unnecessary thing. That's a finish spray.
It's like so weird. When you're trying to do your makeup so hard and you want it looking perfect, it's always something not happening. It's always something's not right. When you're doing just like
Whenever, it doesn't matter.
it does look alright. That's the point. I like to do makeup when I'm on the mood. Remember, when you're doing the makeup for a long time, you need to always moisturize your lips. Otherwise, in the end, they would not looking really good. And the next, I think I'm gonna start to do eyebrows. Today, I'm not gonna use just one layer. I'm gonna use quite a few, because I really don't want to look natural today. I don't want to look like a damaged girl. Oh,
Damaged hands.
so the eyebrows is ready, and here I done a little mess. So if that happening, just take a little brush, just take a foundation or a concealer. I actually have song stuck in my head and I keep singing it. Okay, YouTube, it just was a second. If you're not perfect, I'm enough for you. Next, we're gonna start with eyes, and I was thinking just to do eyeliner and the fake lashes, and that's it. And now I'm thinking maybe add some glitter. So the last time we've been doing the makeup, we found some really nice glitter. So I'm just thinking maybe add that. The usually dolls doesn't have too much makeup unless it's a Brat dolls. Brat dolls, whenever you call them, but they're nicer. They're nice ones. I like them more than the Barbies. Because Barbies in the fake world, in the plastic cups. Now I'm thinking about it. Now I want a Bratz doll. Do you actually still can buy them anywhere? I know the LOL dolls is like everywhere. They've been like popular like I think a couple years ago before the lockdown. Everywhere was just like a LOL dolls, LOL dolls. Some people saying the LOL dolls are the Bratz dolls babies. They kinda look similar, isn't it?
I'm gonna be the adult who's spending his wages on the toys.
Okay, and now I need some shine.
Sunshine!
I love this palette. If you wanna add some more glitter on top of it, I will. And under eye area, I'm gonna put this one here, a little bit, just a little bit, not so much. And then with the same brush, we're mixing these two colors and adding this one. And that's the time for eyeliner. Well, okay, I think my eye looks much bigger than now. Plus we're gonna put some eyelashes and gonna make it even bigger so you can see the difference between this eye here and this one here. And I can give a review to this L'Oreal Paris eyeliner. I only got it for like 2 weeks. I only been using it for 2 weeks and it already doesn't work properly. Like I used to have a cheap Chinese eyeliners, was like 3 times cheaper than that, and they last me so much longer. So I'm really not happy about it. So to make our line look darker than that, I'm gonna take a little brush and I will take black eyeshadows and just go over the top of it. So my eyes are ready now, and the next step I will make lips. Surely, like before I started, I was really thinking to make my lips red, but now because we have a little bit of pink in the makeup, in the eye makeup, I'm thinking to make my lips pink. So let's see what I can do it. So first lip pen and then lip gloss. So my lip pen is a little bit red, but that's not really a bad problem because the lip line could be a little bit darker. And I'm thinking to overline. I'm never used to overline before. I've always been doing my lips very nicely, but well, let's try. But I don't know what's gonna happen, but still. My god, my lips looks huge now. Well, this is hilarious. I will never do my lips, honestly. That just doesn't suit me. The one point I was thinking like, okay, I need to do my lips, like, and luckily I never done them. So next I will use some matte lip cream and see what happens. Usually I've only used it once and it was ages ago, so I don't even remember how is it looking like. So let's try and see. Should I go on Instagram and say that I've just done my lips?
Oh my god, they're actually huge.
So the next steps, we're gonna add the black lines. We're gonna make us looking like a cartoon character. I'm taking a white eyeshadow base, putting a little bit on the hand. Then a really thick, thin brush, and I gotta add the white lines now. I'm absolutely short of brushes now, so I still need to put some blue on these tears. Yes, I'm in a bad mood. It's my tears today, so I'm gonna put a little bit of shadows. Last steps, I really just need to put some mascara. I need to put fake lashes on, and that's it.
I see you in the end.
Okay guys, that's my final look. Thanks for watching, and my mood is so much better now. I actually do love this makeup. I do look like a cartoon character, and it makes me so happy. These lips, these eyes, this sweet tear, it's like, we're still cute. We're looking like a really bad girl. I actually love it. It wasn't even hard. Any one of you can repeat that. Just make your usual makeup and add some lines, and that would look like that. It's actually such an easy makeup. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay guys, put your like, subscribe to my channel, give a wee comment, and remember, I do love all of you. Have a nice day, have a nice week.